Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Arfan Halim and my partner Ilmawan Surya Pradana, Akbar Pratama, and Mas Nur. Today we are pleased to present our study entitled Comparative Analysis of Electrical Energy Consumption in Sustainable Turning of Suspension Spring Equalizer Components using a line boring machine. We represent the Department of Mechanical Maintenance at Sinarmas Brokol Polytechnic. Industrial sector face increasing electrical energy demand. Machining process, especially turning, contribute significantly to total energy usage. Sustainable machining aims to reduce energy consumption through optimized parameters, spindle speed, feed rate, depth of cut. A hydraulic line boring machine is used to perform sustainable turning on suspension spring equalizer components. The study focused on analyzing how machining parameters affect electrical energy consumption. We can see the figure, line boring machine and the equalizer spring. Problem statement, how do machining parameters in sustainable turning influence electrical energy consumption? The method used in this research is an experimental approach conducted on the repairs process of the suspension spring equalizer using a line boring operation. Machining parameters, depth of cut 0.5 millimeter, spindle speed 234.6 rpm, two machining condition with coolant and without coolant. Data collection procedure, prepare workpiece, tools and measurement instrument, position and center the workpiece on the line boring machine, set cutting depth and machining condition, cooling or dry, start machining and measure electrical current every 10 minutes using a clamp meter. Next, repeat for both machining condition. Independent variable, machining condition with coolant and without coolant. Spindle speed 234.6 rpm and dependent variable electrical energy consumption. Electrical power consumption is calculated by multiplying the measured current with the line boring machine supply voltage, which is 380 volt. The power used by the machining will operate with a 3-phase motor, and we can see the table 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3 is a result of the calculation for equalizer 1, 2, and equalizer 3. We can see the figure 1, electrical power consumption during line boring with coolant for equalizer. The electrical power consumption measured during the line boring process under the three coolant conditions show a consistent pattern of fluctuation throughout the machining duration. 1. Coolant 1 recorded a peak consumption of triple three 9.93 watt at minute 60. And coolant 2 show a maximum consumption of 3731.55 watt at minute 30. Then coolant 3 reached its highest power consumption of 3591.68 watt at minute 40. Now we can see table 4.4, table 4.6, and table 4.5, the result of the calculation for equalizer under no coolant condition. Uh, the result, we can see the figure 2 electrical power consumption during line boring without coolant for equalizer. Equalizer 1 record the highest power consumption at minute 40 reached 4056.03 watt, and equalizer 2 saw a peak consumption at minute 15 of 3770.71 watt, and equalizer 3 reached the highest consumption at minute 15, measured at 4072.81 watt. Now, the average electrical power consumption calculation using coolant in the table 46. And we can see the point B, average electrical power consumption calculation using coolant in table 4.8. Average result of the calculation without coolant. Now with figure 4.7, we can see comparison of the average electrical power consumption. Based on the power measurement during the machining process, shown in figure 4.7, the highest power value was recorded during machining without coolant, reaching 2200.51 watts. Meanwhile, the lowest power value occurred during machining with coolant at 1853.65 watts. And the figure 4.8, comparison of the overall average electrical power consumption. Based on the overall power consumption measurement presented in figure 4.8, the highest power consumption occurred during machining without coolant, reaching 3655.09 watts. Meanwhile, the lowest power consumption was recorded during machining with coolant at 3308.23 watts. Conclusion: the influence of machining parameters on electrical power consumption in this study indicates that the appropriate machining settings, particularly the spindle speed of 234.6 RPM and a depth of cut of 0.5 millimeter, significantly affect energy usage. The use of coolant during the line boring process result in an average power consumption of approximately 3308.23 watts, whereas machining without coolant produce an average consumption of around 3655.09 watts. This research that coolant application in the line boring process is effective in reduce electrical power consumption by 346.86 watts or 9.49%. Thank you for attention. My presentation presented on my research in uh, energy consumption for line boring machine.